Is standing your ground legal in Alabama? Let's separate some myth from some facts. You can't just shoot anybody who comes on your land or anybody who threatens you. Stand your ground is not a license to kill. But let's talk about the law basics, what you can do. So first off, yes, Alabama does have a stand your ground law. And that means that you don't have a duty to retreat if certain things are in play. First is you have to be lawfully wherever you are. So if you're a trespasser, you're a burglar or something like that, no, it doesn't apply then, of course. You also have to not be doing anything illegal. So if you go up to some guy you don't like and you shove him, which technically under Alabama law, that's harassment. You've done something illegal. You've lost your stand your ground argument. There are limits on stand your ground law as well. You have to reasonably, or a reasonable person would have to believe that lethal force is warranted. So, if you're an extra sensitive person or an extra fearful person, that may not cut it. It has to be, would a reasonable person under these circumstances say, yeah, lethal force was warranted here. So it's going to be judged by that kind of objective standard. You also, as I've alluded to earlier, you cannot provoke it, and of course you can't commit a crime to provoke it. So you have to be, essentially, you have to be in the right for it to be justified. Now, stand your ground doesn't mean that you may not be arrested. What it may mean, but it may mean that you have a defense. I'm not going to go into all of the nuances here, but this is something that can be raised by a person who is accused. Obviously, you're better to not need a lawyer at all. If you find yourself in a legal jam here in North Alabama and you want our help here at Segal Segal, give us a call. If you like this video and you feel like being nice to us, if you give us the thumbs up, and if you want to see more of these legal videos as they come out, hit the subscribe button. And by the way, if you've been in some sort of situation where you thought this could have happened, or you know of something and you want to put it in the comments, I'm happy to see what you have to say. Thanks so much for watching.